Hi, chat. Oh, I'm really zoomed out. There we go. Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Monday, July 17th of 2023. We are back for another stream. And we're going to keep working on linter tools because they're still broken in 3.12. But we kind of know what we need to fix, and so it's really just writing more tests for the things that are missed and then fixing the problems. I did a little bit of work on pycodestyle offline. I'll actually show some of that if I have a Chrome window open. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. JGMC was first today. Hello, hello. Pandoxer, good to see you again. MDS Ubuntu as well. Hello, hello. Lovekey is also here, as is Ethan. How's it going, Ethan? Good to see you again. Viscount Thanos says, I'm here early. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. You are fairly early. We just got started. Okay. So, I forget what the last thing that we did. Yeah. This is the last thing that we did on stream. This is boring. I was mostly checking whether AWS's OIDC thing still works, because they fucked it up. D-Delsp, thank you for the resub at tier 3 at 31 months in a row. It's good to see you again for my 31th anniversary. I'll ban you, nice. You have a job offer. Congrats, Ethan. That's awesome. That's good to hear. Glad you got that in order. Junk Time Lord, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, so the first thing that I noticed when we were doing our regression testing, and it wasn't really a big deal, but this was easier for the next round of validating the differences. This offset changed by one character from the start to the end, so I just switched it back to the start. So now it'll have the same character offset as it previously did. I also changed the error message for E721. We adjusted how it worked, but didn't update the messaging for it. So now it is more explicit that type comparisons should be is not, or is instance, and not equals. You're traveling to Istanbul. Nice. That's cool. I also introduced cov defaults into pycodestyles such that I could get a better gauge of what is covered and what is not. And then added some of the pragmas to make it more accurate here. I moved the test data around. This makes it easier to run the linting. Actually, I realized that the linters weren't running because of this. And so PyUpgrade got to do a bunch of stuff to fix that here. Mostly some overzealous excludes, but that got all fixed up. While doing this, I noticed that there's shebangs on some files. However, they aren't run as executables, so I removed them. I changed the test suite to run with pytest. This patch itself is not that complicated, but I switched to pytest mostly so I could use pytest features in order to build stuff. Trixlar, hello, how you doing? You can see what I'm going to work on stream by doing this. But right now I'm going over stuff that I did offline that's related but not quite done. I moved from setup.py to setup.cfg, mostly because I kept forgetting to update the setup.py. I converted the doc tests to use pytest. Previously they were some homegrown thing that was tricky to maintain, and actually had bugs in it. So these test cases here were not actually being run at all because they were misformatted. But when I put it into pytest, it was much more obvious that they weren't running. Ethan says, saw some code the other day that does if expression ... like actual ellipsis, and it wasn't typing? Huh. Interesting. The other server says, this is a quite common anti-pattern. This is a py file, so it needs a shebang. And don't forget this *** coding cookie. Yeah. Oh, here's ML code? I guess that makes sense. NumPy? Pandas? One of them was using ellipsis as like a real value for the longest time in slices. until it was formalized as syntax outside of slices, which I always thought was interesting. But lots of memo code is research code, yeah. Says my coworker's using unit tests at the moment. Might try and help convert to PyTest soon. Neat. Yeah, I'm just much happier writing PyTest. I also killed all the doc tests because there were only 7 of them, and so I figured I would just kill them all at once. But there was all this like weird complexity to figure out how the doc tests work, and like a bunch of fiddly bits that weren't working very well. And I converted them all to a little test suite, which just makes a big parameterize. And this is the replacement. So parse each check type, each function in the check type, look at its doc string, find the little cases in the doc string, and then make a PyTest parameterize out of it. And this line here is also that it just gets nice little identifier names here, so you can know like what line of the file the function's on, and then what function it is, and what case number it is. Made it a little bit easier to do. Wouldn't be surprised if ellipsis was a valid representation for NaN and pandas. Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me either. But this was like the big one, and we're gonna actually start by doing something similar to this to kill this thing too. Then everything will go through PyTest, and it'll be a lot easier to run individual tests rather than having to use the whole code base to do that. That's what we're going to start with. Yeah. And I had already started a little bit, but had not finished, it looks like. Yeah, this is the one for the doc tests. We're going to make something very similar. Are doc tests slow? I've never come across them. It's not that they're slow, they're just a real fucking pain in the ass to debug. Yeah, I don't like them. They're really hard to debug, and it's way too easy to accidentally not run them because they're in doc strings, and unless you remember the right invocation to make them happen, like they're real easy to forget. Trixler says, do you use WSL2 or are you on a Mac? Neither. Neither of those two things. You can learn more about it there. Dino says, you know what's worse than not having power for 48 hours? Having to throw out everything in your fridge and freezer because of power. Oh no. That sucks. Yeah, that happened to me 2021. I had like no power for like a week. It was crazy. It was wild. I didn't know what to do with myself. But yeah, okay. So, oh, and also after I get all of this done, I'm going to move this to be called tests because this is an annoying name. I would refer to it as cold outside, 90 plus perfect. Yeah. Yeah. How they take so long to fix things? At least in the thunderstorm that happened in 2021, like the whole state was out of power. And so they had to fix many, many breakages. And so it took forever to get that, but no ellipsis, but a bunch of other weird stuff. Oh, it's a pyx file, so yeah, of course there's gonna be weird stuff. Okay, this is something that I did not want to know. Why are all of these treated as NaN? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call this test examples. Os dot path dot dir name. Os dot path. Os dot. We need a dir name twice. I guess we could just put this in here. Like I did this elsewhere, maybe? Yep. Oh, start path. Oh, and then I'll set up my pie on this. Because typing's good. We don't have autopay here. QAnon, the right wing cult. Yeah. It's future-proofing for quantum nons, yeah. There were 7,000 independent outages in the KC Metro. Damn. Holy shit. It's crazy. I mean, it doesn't surprise, but at the same time, whew, I am not surprised by that. What the fuck is init tests? I don't know, but it's getting deleted. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Oh boy. Love to see that. There's still 1,100 active outages after 3 days? Damn. That sucks. Alright, test. What is test data? Oh, that's what I wanted to call it before. Okay, we'll use that. From testing the port, import root there. I'm just gonna call it root. Well, yeah, I would like to call it root. Alright, test suite, test data. Okay. We got a bunch of these files in here. We need to parse each of them. For fname in us.lister, us.path.join, root, testing data. Full. Okay, so we need to parse each of these files. Are we gonna get a diesel generator in your backyard? Tough times? Yeah, I'm not gonna get a generator. I think I'm fine just chilling with the powers out, but yeah. Definitely says, never understand why you guys have transformers on poles. Yeah, it'd be nice if they were underground, but it is much cheaper to put them above ground. That's why they do that. There's actually a big fight right now in my local county about whether they're going to invest money to put stuff underground or not. And it's very interesting because it's not really going forward because the conservatives are against it and the progressives are split, but they're split for really weird reasons. I don't completely understand all of their rationale, but I would love to have underground power so that it stops going out so often. But yeah, that's how things go. Coney Guy says my intern said he's been going through all your videos. Yo, that's cool. That's cool. I don't know if this file gets used. Cool. I don't know that this file gets used either. In theory it does, but I don't actually know. Let's see. Let's see. How does this thing work right now? Run test file name. Power poles in an urban area is surprising thinking about it. We have some copper phone lines like that? Yeah. So it is actually finding this. Da, 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 da. If codes and index. So it's not the first line of the file. Oh, I see what happens. Yeah, this looks just broken. Two functions names run test. What could go wrong, right? Much cheaper than digging trenches. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Zayotic? Hello, hello. And Preox, good to see you again. If the line does not start with that, and if there are codes, it appends to the line. Yeah, but if it gets to the end of the file, it's just done. The last test case in the file is never run. Unless the file ends in a little octothorpe thing? Like, do these all end? Let's see if we can find runner. Fuck is runner? I don't think that works that way. This is a function. Oh, this is a function. Input file. File name test case. Yeah, I don't think this actually runs. Try it. Port name root. Wait, I thought I already fixed this file. Yep, Lamau, it does not run that line. Fun. Yes, sir says, how's your MyPy adventure at work going? slowly getting there. It's actually kind of nice because you can see. Actually, let's see if somebody reviewed my PR today. Nope. You can see the progress of it by looking at the number of lines in this file. Because I have made a giant block list here, but it's about 1,400 files remaining. Or wait, no, 1,200 files remaining. What's the 140. Okay, so like 1,300 files remaining, which is not bad given that there are like 5,000 files in the code base, and it started with like 30,000 errors, and now we're down to like 7,000. So slow progress, but it's going. And other people are helping, which is good. Meat sauce, hello, how you doing? There is the private repo, which I have not looked at all. That one's gonna be a problem, but okay. So it looks like there are cases in the file that are not being run right now, which is great. That also means that the DRLF one is not running at all. Definitely need more type coverage. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Meat sauce, thank you for the resub at 5 months. Good to see you again, and thank you for your continued support. Always appreciate you stopping by. This sucks. This is so shitty. But that's why we're writing it. Hey. How many bugs were discovered along the way? I found so many bugs, but a lot of them I can't fix. I'm just turning them into assertion errors in theory. But a lot of them are brand new too, which is, I guess, demonstrating the value of the project, which is like, it'd be nice to know the errors before they hit prod. But there's a lot of stuff that is just Django magic that's really hard to type check properly. And a particularly annoying MyPy bug that makes a lot of it really hard. Let's see if I can find it. It's descriptors. It's always descriptors. It's this one. Yeah, it's this one. This one's really bad because all of every MyPy type is a descriptor. And so any union gets real fucked up, but oh no, you missed the start of stream build. Oh, my bad. He says, can I get that framed? Which thing? This issue from 2018 or yeah, but anyway, it's a real pain in the butt. Oh look, someone else is complaining about the same thing. It's descriptors, it's always descriptors. Yeah, it's always fucking descriptors. Yeah. Python would be a lot less of a mess if it weren't for descriptors, but also there'd be a lot less cool stuff, maybe. Dio Girardi. I definitely said that wrong, but thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Maybe descriptors are the problem? Yeah. Yeah, it's almost certainly descriptors. Fuck. Okay, well, we found that this thing is broken, so that's great. A day ending in Y, yeah. I'm curious if there are kind of interesting, because I don't think this is meant to be there. Also, this is a really fucking long test to just be like, yeah, these 4 error codes happen there. But this is not covered at all, which is fun. I think this is tabs, maybe? No? Over-indented? This has tabs. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure this case here is just not covered at all. This is not tested, given what we have just found. Oh my god, this file has a lot of stuff in it. Why is it called E12 not? I don't know. But also there's this case here. I don't know what this is supposed to do. But I guess we'll just start generating cases and see what happens. And this file has something weird in it, but that one I can't open because it's Latin 1. Let's see what happens here. Mokotech plays! Hello, hello, how you doing? Test data. Okay, we got the full file name there, and then I kind of want to split the file by these things. Oh, actually, this is interesting. This is interesting. There was always this line added to the end, which is confusing why we never saw the case that we expected. Oh, I bet I know why. I bet that the test case is a list of lines. Yeah, that's what it is. X9, hello, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Mokotech Play says a bit tired, but fine. I'm doing alright. I don't know if you've seen this before. Yeah, Tina sent this to me. Yeah. This is fucking story of my life. This is such a great readme that really yeah. Yeah. Yep. 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 Yeah. These are all These are all story of my life. Unfortunately. Okay, so it looks like we should be able to split on lines that look like this. Which do the rendexes probably. Yeah, we can do it through regexes, and then we can know how many lines are in the file. Yeah. I think we want to do this. The problem with these is I don't want them to be... Let's see what happens. This is interesting because... I guess we should use this thing. Yeah. I'm just gonna rejoin the lines together. Yeah. Okay, that seems fine. pycodestyle import. This is obvious what's going on here. Twitch is drunk. I got the go live notification 36 minutes late. Oh no. Xna says I saw a guy go absolutely off on a web developer on Twitch earlier. But he lost his voice, so he's just typing his rant and committed to GitHub. Oh yeah. Yep, that's Rob. That's their standard operating procedure. How is this supposed to work? It's supposed to have Alright, let's try that. Fine. It's an invalid argument error deep in C code bound to Python. Gonna be one of those days. Oh no. Random Test says I love that reaction. Oh yeah, that's just Rob. Yeah. The any updates one absolutely kills me. Yeah. ETA triggers my flight or fight response. Yup, Rage Cage. That is the correct response. Okay. There's a split, right? Is this what I want? Yeah. Is there any way to enforce devs to use a Prigma install? I don't trust devs to use it correctly. There isn't, because it's a client hook, and this is kind of intentional. You can set it up through Git templates if you want, but usually I just include it in some come and make file that everyone's going to touch, and then force it that way. But yeah. Oh, it doesn't include the new line. I put the $sign in here. Does that work? So, Andre Costa, thank you for the resub at 16 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I hope you're having a wonderful Monday / Tuesday, wherever you are. Damn. I think, if I do this, maybe it'll get there. And include it in here. Yeah, there we go. And if it were CRLF, we would get a different set here. And we can ignore empty cases. Yeah. All right, that seems fine. Tom XO, hello. How you doing? 30 minutes until Tuesday, gang. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Uh, okay, I think that helps. And it seems to be, oh, it's not dot all, so this is not going to match new lines. What if we do... We do this. Oh, sweet. Nice. Okay, cool. Okay. We should always have odd number of this. Any updates on the baking stream? So we got everything set up except the microphones didn't have battery. So we are probably gonna do it on Wednesday, maybe. But yeah, we had technical problems that caused it not to happen. So this is a little annoying. What happens if this is here? Okay, we're always gonna have an odd number of things, even if the last one and the first one are empty. But I'm in the Windows Dev Kit machine. That's gonna be the cooking stream machine, in theory. Assuming everything works out. Yeah. Okay, so Windows though, so maybe, I mean, I'm streaming from Windows, so it's not really that different. But it is ARM, so that'll be tricky. Gonna go to sleep, says Belnathis. Well, thank you for stopping by. Always good to see you. And I hope you have a good sleep. Thanks for stopping by stream. Okay, so case 0 is usually going to be empty. We should always have at least one part. Cooking on the dev kit, I thought the x86 are extremely hot CPUs. Yeah. I believe it's Qualcomm, but I don't remember. Okay, this is a silly assertion because we're always going to get at least one from this. So no need to have that assertion. If part's 0, then we'll add a case for that already. Is there a way to do what I want here? No, there isn't. I want two chunk things, and yeah, there's some fucking iter tools thing for this, but like zip iter. I'm pretty sure I have it in a video. It's like the zip video, I think. One. Maybe not. Anyways, yeah, I'm looking for pairwise probably. Is it pairwise? No, it's not pairwise. It's what is this function? I feel like got added in 312 batched. This is the one that I'm looking for. But there should be a recipe for it somewhere. Oh, is itertools implemented in C? I guess that makes sense. Presumably they will show a non-C version of it. Huh. Whatever. Okay, doesn't matter. We'll just use next. pytest.param. One. The first line of the file. So this should give us some tests already, right? 6 tests. Huh. Cool. These don't actually test anything yet, though. 'You're a win. Hello, welcome. Am I looking for permutations? No, I'm looking for like, I'm looking for chunked or batched. I'm looking for this, but yeah, that useful. If no EOL encodes. What does no EOL do? I know it's a special case. Just R strips new line. um Yeah, so clearly this test suite is working as intended. Oh, it didn't split the file properly. Oh, it's because I forgot multi-line. Yerwin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And COD0X, thank you as well for the follow. Hello, hello. Okay, seems good. We won't do this. CUDA is such a painful dependency. It's never installed right. It seems to break randomly. Yeah. Yep, that has been my experience with CUDA. Okay, so the interesting thing about this is the matching part. Because some of the codes try and match on lines exactly, and some of them try and match on not exactly. I wonder how the current stuff does this. Like in theory it could do exact and counted ones. Ooh, I just got disconnected from Twitch. Can you all still hear me? I might have a problem. Oh, well, it seems to be doing alright. Cool. Yeah, so there are two types of codes here. They either have an offset or they don't. How does it work? Oh, it counts them? Yeah. 3-wise. Oh. Yeah, using zip. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, I definitely have that in a... Yeah, that is definitely in a video. This little thing here. Neat. Okay, so there's two types of codes. There are going to be exact codes and then count codes. Hey, what's up, 85 Filter? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Let's see. We'll use counter. Or code in this. If code is equal to okay, we'll just skip that. Should have called the function threesome. Hey, there you go. Yeah, this is weird because I don't know how. Yeah, this is done very weirdly. Like, I don't know how it works for duplicates, but yeah, we'll just write what I think it should do and then adjust it from there. It looks like exact codes is not actually a counter, but a set. Let me just find an example of this, make sure that I'm doing this even remotely correct. Did it ever duplicate a code? This was a bad file to pick. Yeah, okay, so this has W191 twice. So that tells me that I should be doing counts for those. Uh, Guess I'm gonna intentionally introduce an error code into this file. And this part, top part. Yeah, okay, cool. Tux, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Mr. Singh, hello, hello. Good to see you as well. Okay, so that appears to be working. This will be a no cover. If any would be the same, yeah. So that I would have to build a list or tuple, and so it would be slower. And this more directly communicates what I'm trying to do here. Should not be called either. Okay. Really do the rest of this part up here too. So we get all the cases. Yeah, let's do that. There we go. The new kind of love says, can I ask a career question? You've already asked one question. Toshi, welcome to the stream, Malolo. How you doing? Thanks for praying the case line. That's true. Would have got there eventually. I think this is off by one. Actually, line is a better name. Never back ping. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We didn't know hello, yeah. You go for a CS degree if it's free, but you have to study for 1 year exam or learn code and get a job as soon as possible. You mean if I could go back and do it again? I mean, I had a job before I had a degree, so I don't know that I really am the best person to ask. Hmm. That case is empty. Hooray, we have lots of cases now. Type error. String indices must be integers. What? Where do I fuck up there? Oh, that should say codes. And we have a bunch of failing tests for this. Do this. Hooray. Okay, so now it's running things. That's good. Pods looks free. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Knackle Eric's also here. How you doing? The one thing I miss about MS Teams is that you could set the status just no hello. Yeah. Nice. I mean, you can do that in Slack, kind of. Is case a soft keyword? Yes. Get to study either way? Yeah. True. Maybe the test needs tests? Yeah. Well, at least it's a little more straightforward than the old stuff. I kindly ask what should be associate salary for a year in the EU to the chat. You have an interview tomorrow. Well, you should not discuss salary during your interview. That should be part of your negotiation. Leon says, have you tried to make your own company yet? I have my own company. I have my own profitable company, in fact. Barely profitable, but profitable nonetheless. Okay, let's see if these line up properly. That is line 23. That's line 21, 19, 17. Yeah, seem to be working. Good. Arlinda says, how are you getting all these interviews? Qualifications? If it gets you beers, it's profitable. Hey, there you go. Okay. let's figure out why we have problems here. On the very first one. Oh. Huh. um. Yeah, interesting. So counter containing things with zeros is still a counter. So we can just say is there a way to collections counter discard empty? No. Really what I want. I think you can use discard, right? There's pop. Hmm. W391 in E30 on line 16. I guess because it's an empty case. So I should just exclude ones that are empty. Um. W505. Is document line too long? Ah. Oh, so we're not setting that setting. Max doc length 2th. Python 312. Oh, these are the ones that need to get skipped. Okay, yeah. I had a mentor tell me to never give my salary expectation in the interview. Yeah, 100%. I gave the salary expectation within 2 minutes of the interview asking. God damn it. You should get good at responding with, I am looking for a salary which is competitive for the position that I am applying for and is comparable to my skills that I will demonstrate on the job. I basically get good at regurgitating that because you shouldn't the best part about negotiation is to not show your cards. You need to hold those close to your chest until the end because you have much more leverage if they tell you the number first versus you telling the number first. But Atugashev, hello. Good to see you again. How you doing? And sorry, expectations come up once in a 6-person interview. I said, sure, you go first. Oh, that's good. That's funny. All right, test suite, test data. We need to do the thing where we ignore things based on file name. Hello. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Raw string. So these ones should get skipped. Oh, these are gonna be backslashes on Windows. It's kind of maybe a problem. I don't know. We need to figure out whether things are skipped or not. Oh, I need the original file name. J Phils, thank you for the resub at 33 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And for those of you that don't know, J Phils also streams, so you should check out J Phils' channel. How you doing? What have you been up to? Okay. So this is a optional field. Phoenix says, into your far in the process and keep saying competitive compensation. Try having competing offers or interview processes, and you'll have a better idea of your worth in the current market. Normally ask them for their range and then put a little above their upper bound, depending on how I felt I performed. Yeah, it's good call there. Tugashev says, not bad. I got laid off last month. That doesn't sound good. That sounds not good at all. Jake Phil says, doing well, recovering from COVID. Oh, that sucks. Built a home lab working on finishing a smart mirror. Oh, I don't know anything about that. How does that work? Mr. Neumann, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, I'm just gonna cheat and look at the old code for this because this here. Int val or 0. Oh. Do, 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 do. Oh, hi, Mark. Huh. Let's see if that even works. Shit. What is the thing? Is it pytest mark? Marks? Oh, this is the one that RAM. Marks, not Mark. Marks. Just a big ol' union. Wait, it's a sequence? It's a collection? Oh no, it's a union of a decorator or tuple. Hopefully it'll also allow none. We'll see what happens. Assertion error. Clearly does not allow none. That'll store Malolo. Python Pie is also here too. Lost 2 jobs within 2 weeks. What? Wait, it's here hired and then immediately laid off? That sucks. PyTest.Michael.parameterize? Yeah, there we go. There we go. And then Enterprise says at my company, everyone has the same compensation regionally within the same pay grade. Yeah, that makes the most sense. Says Mark. Oh, hi, Mark. Yeah, true. Okay, so we should see some sketch ones in here. Hey, look at that. If we expand it out, it'll show the reason too. Where's 312? Where's 311? Wait, why are these not in any sort of order? Oh, because I didn't sort the file names. I'll make that better. Polymathic Man! Thank you for the resub at 35 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Oh god, I've done the cute curse thing. Where if you type Control S, it fucks up the terminal. Yeah, here we go. For some value of sorted. I guess I should natural sort them. Make it look better. Do I have a natural sort somewhere? If I call it nat sort or natural sort or natural underscore sort. Yeah, setup CFG format has one. Sorted set. I don't need that, but let's do stir, let's stir. Oops, you forgot a comma. That's true, I did. Isn't random order better than consistent test order? Yeah, but I want to be able to read them. It also super doesn't matter here. Okay, this is kind of cool. I like this so far. But we still need to do the error message for the failure mode. 456 past 8 skipped. What does that compare with this? From ASO to utilities, import natural sort? Yeah. No, we're not gonna Jericho this one up. Yeah, that's fine. We'll ignore that. So what was this thing here? 456 cases and 36 files. That matches exactly. Yeah, I can ignore that. Hmm. Hmm. I was disbanded after I switched jobs. Damn. After 2 months of negotiation. Oh, that sucks. I'm so sorry. That's tough. I'm trying to make this nicely fit on one line. We can do this. And I can probably do this to make these look the same. Oh, this will be off by 1. Never mind. We still haven't implemented this down here. Pissmice 2K, hello, welcome. What window manager do I use? In fact, I have been asked so many times I've got a command for it. Tom the Nightmare 04. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Minosa, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Well, we could express this as a diff. Was not expecting that? Yeah, well. Yeah, we could express this as a diff. With pluses and minuses. Yeah. Oh, I don't even need to do this. Because if it's 0 now, this will just do nothing. Nice. Mathing Man says, while you're here, why is pytest a flat namespace? You mean like everything is just pytest dot something? I think most of that's historical, but I don't know. It is a little bit annoying, but it helps pytest have a specific public interface. Oh wait, I can't do this. Do this though. I had foo slash base test and bar slash base test. Oh, the hoisting. Yeah. Yeah, I hate that too. I hate that too. It would be nice if it weren't like that, of course. But it's really difficult to fix for reasons that I don't completely remember. It has to do with like weird namespace packages and test importing tests and the import system and the import hooks. I really should know it because that's the stuff that I'm supposed to be good at, but yeah. Let's see if this works. One failure. Oh, but it would be nice to know if it does say the file here. Oh, interesting. These codes are going to be different. Maybe we should adjust them. Because I think the old code would tell you exactly what line they're on. Oh wait, no, this is fine. Actually, we're in a case where I'm sending data from Arduino Nano through a serial port and receiving them in Python. The data basically controls the movement of the mouse. Dang Pokemon remind me of that. Yeah, it's basically exactly what that is doing, which is pretty cool. Oops. Even make you a tuple. Yeah, I think this failure is actually pretty decent. Like, tells you what the case is, tells you what the error of the string is. You can figure out the file from here. And I can run just that one if I want. Yeah. Cool. Alright, let's rip out all the old shit. So I can get rid of this. We don't need parallel coverage anymore. Find all the places where this happens. Don't know what this is about, but really not neat. Tis sweet and not quiet. All right. Pseudo file. List, write, append, flush. You have a flush? You do. Yeah, so we can just use string IO. That's just capsys, so we don't need it there. Also just capsys. But we can also just use string IO. Switch it to I test stuff later. This is technically not correct because it's actually a text IO wrapper. believe this does anything. Dot keys does nothing here. Boy. Huh. Interesting. It uses setup.py, the pycodestyle file, and the current file. And I believe this is a Python 2 remnant. So I don't believe this has pycache. Yeah. 2 remnant. Just API has some things failing. IO is not defined. This file? Yeah. How dare you remove Python 2.7 support? I removed that a long time ago, I think. Oh, this is probably checking against the is there a way to clear? I guess seek 0 truncate. Um yeah, I should really use Capsys. This is an interesting one. Oh. Isn't there an assert starts with? No? Huh? It's fine. We can just do this. List has no attribute get value. What? How did I fuck this up? Oh. Wait, I didn't write this. How is this here? Maybe... Oh. Maybe somebody already started having the same idea? Dan Robot, hello, how you doing? Trying to use something and get a value? Yeah. Probably still fucked. I already hear my pie screaming. Wait. Oh. This is already implemented as get value. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, let's see what this does. Fluid Junior devs mine, absolutely the water they showing them get blame. Oh yeah. Get blame's pretty good. Oh no. W292. Or this one, online 17. Oh. That's interesting. It reports that error twice in Python 3.8, but not in Python 3.9? Wait, it reports it. Wait, what? It reports it 3 times? It reports it so many times. I guess we found a bug? Yeah, it looks like it reports it 3 times in 3.8. It's kind of funny. Oh, it's kind of unfortunate. I'm deleting code because of this patch, so it's going to decrease coverage. But yeah, it looks like we found a bug in 3.8. It's fun. I wonder why. Oh shit, what did I do? That's so funny. uh Okay. What's the difference in the tokenization here? Oh, that's funny. Look at that. There are 3 ends of the line. And this one apparently... Yeah, so this token shouldn't be there at all. And that's causing it to run the line 3 times. Very cool. Weird. How do I fix it? I'm gonna go fill up my water though, because I'm behind in that, so I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Detail says, just told my PM we got ourselves a chicken and egg situation, caught ourselves in a prisoner's dilemma. I don't think either are accurate, but it's funny to think a bug fixes that way. Yeah, that's pretty good. Also, Zombie Natch, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't remember how this works. But I wonder if Flake 8 has the same problem. If I've handled that there. Wait, it's not in here. So, right. Yeah, Fligate also has this problem in 3.8. End marker is not handled specially. Oh god, this check is crazy. Is EOL token? Token 4, token 3, 1 colon dot L strip is equal to this. The file does not end in a new line. The new line token is inserted by the parser but does not contain the previous physical line in token 4. I don't know if that's still true. But I think this should return. Oh wait, maybe check physical. We would need to store state whether it's the file or not. So funny that it runs it 3 times. I don't know why it runs it 3 times though. Oh. Like I could understand it running twice, but not 3 times. Oh. Because wait, why does it say W? Oh yeah. Okay, so it runs once on this line because this is the total lines count. Then it runs again on this and again on this. But why doesn't it run for this one too? But we'll find out. Figure out why it is doing that. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. because this is correctly filled out. Your PM's wife works at Sentry. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we continue here. This is in 3.8. So I should put breakpoint not here. The actual relevant cases that I care about. This is the NL. This is the new line. Why does it run one more time? This is the new line again? Why? Weird. I wonder if I just say this. Wonder what the test suite says. It still has it called twice though. Well, that would eliminate one of them at least. But does it break 3.9? Okay, so that definitely is needed. Do I care? Do I care that this is fucked up in 3.8? Oh god, what have I done? Oh, I have the opposite case. Ooh. Fuck Python 3.8. Well, I still gotta support it. Um, but I think I will make that case separate. Since that one is weird. Maybe I'll move this to the Python 3.9 file. Oh, we don't have a Python 3.9 file. So it's very annoying. I was hoping to actually fix stuff today, but I've just been working on this thing. But this has been fun. Not saying I'm done either, but there's like some setting to PyTest that lets you run skip test. Do it. Yeah, there we go. Wait, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hey, yeah, the bot knows what's up. How you doing? Fancy little partner badge you got there. Hey, yeah. Working now. Okay, so that was kind of weird. I satisfied. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, I got that fancy badge too. It's true. But how you doing? Welcome to the stream. What do you stream? You've been here before. Like we've talked about this before. Oh, you've been here for a long time. Speaking of been here for a long time, I satisfied. You've just gotten your fancy 3-year badge. I was gonna say them all. Are you gonna get the juice ones too? Hey, nice. Oh, you're not sure. Right, you have a brand account. I remember now. But how you doing? Good to see you again. And thank you for your continued support. I satisfied. It's always good to see you. I hope you're doing well. How you been enjoying the rain that we've been getting repeatedly? Alright, let's see what this looks like. So clean up this junk. Move parallel, move that test. Around that guy. Place this test. Clean up the standard IO stuff. Write our new thing. Cool. Port test suite to pytest. Oh, there's gonna be code that references. Probably, yeah. Install demo in pycodestyle will have a test suite option. No, that is not true. Not true anymore. Oh, this is test suite, right? Because I haven't moved the files yet. Yeah, sure. There we go. Simplified. My partnership through esports a decade ago is a short story. Yep, that makes sense. Bots say it wrote itself. Yeah, well, it's not always the most grammatically exact and precise, but it's close enough. I'm more, to be honest, in Grand Rapids, we've only gotten 1 day of it all. Whoa, it's been raining like every other day here. You should ask it what OS it's running. Or this is. Wait, why didn't it reply to that one? Oh, you have to say, is this Vim? Yeah. Yeah, the bot recognizes all over the place. So it's quite quote unquote smart. There was a bug here. Python 3.8, this was reported 3 times. Didn't bother fixing the bug since it'll be magically fixed in Python 3.9 plus. Move the test to its own file. Move it back when. Yayo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, but we should be able to see coverage now nicely just in pycodestyle, and all the tests should be covered. First the bot is running itself, and now Anthony's using magic. It's true. iSatisfied says, I was going to ask for a quick code review on a quick script I made for work, but I forgot to push it and left my work laptop at the office. Hey. RIP for that one. I'm curious in the speedups here. So like 3/8's taking 5.75 seconds to run everything. Let's see what 312 does. Does it feel slow? Because it is. Suspicious? I feel like somebody told me that I had not compiled the optimizations properly in Dead Snakes, and maybe that's true. But these all seem slower. Well, 310 doesn't seem slow. Something weird going on there. Oh, but 3.8 is also Dead Snakes, so doesn't super make sense. This 310 is the system Python. Unless there's something slow. I mean, these aren't scientific either, but 312 should be fast. I don't super get it, but it's whatever. I could probably profile it too and figure out why it's slow. But the tokenizer in 310 is, or in 312 is supposed to be faster. Is there no music? It's there. Kind of quiet. Turn it up a little bit. Are you always using unified diffs or just when zoomed for streaming? Oh, yeah. I use unified on stream. I use split diff otherwise. I wonder if this is an artifact of coverage also. Let's see. It's Toxic QT. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It'll be interesting to see if, with no coverage, if it is similar. That seems slightly faster in 3.9, but probably not significant. Yeah, and that's faster still. So I think it's an artifact of coverage. Yeah, like 311's way faster there. 312 is not faster though, but probably this is probably just an artifact of coverage and probably not scientific, but cool. All right, so now that I've done all that refactoring stuff, let's move the test suite to tests so it's more standard. Minus text. Well, this is the wrong file. Well, let's fix that at least. This. Oh, yeah, this is what that's intended to do. Oh. We're just gonna delete this file. feel like I already edited this file. Marshall Liddy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Automating shiny Pokemon hunting has to be the most. I'm a Python core dev ever. I'm not a core dev, but I do a lot of Python, it's true. Why are there even 100 different ways to build C Python, and how can you ever be sure it's right? It's crazy how much the OS packaging has to change /add. Yeah. Yep, I wish it weren't so fucky as well. But alas. Hi, Tina. Oh. This was wrong? Okay. Cool. That's who's that? Library sloth can't hurt you. Library sloth's not real. Yeah. Wait, why is he at lumps? Oh, so he stands up. Here, anyway, here's a plushie chat. What? How did you get a library sloth? Oh, from the library's cryptocurrency. Watermelo Dev, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You gotta send me library crypto coin. What? Libcoin, damn liberals, says the chat. Yeah. Very awake. Hold, please. Gotta rotate the photo. It is. Oh no, is this gonna be something that I can't say out loud? What? Why? Xanthrius, thank you for the resub at 28 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. This is the image that Tina just sent me. Is there a context that makes this not sound? Oh. Pitbull's the dog. This isn't just I love titties, but they wanted to say it in a different way. For loving titties? I mean, who doesn't? Does the library? Polymathic Man, hello, hello. I'm gonna get canceled on Twitter? No, Twitter loves titties. Right? Surely. What are you? It refuses to dry. Oh, it's up dog day. Cool. Me, you in Pregame and auto update day? Yeah, it's true. Oh, I guess it's Monday again. Yeah. Yep. Ugh. Okay, well, we'll let that run, and I think I can start working on the other things. Nope. Okay. I believe edibility is a requirement for food. What? Oh. Huh. Oh, I thought you were human centipeding. Okay. Alright, so I should be able to do I haven't merged this yet. Of course. Should be able to do this now. And we should be able to find our failing test here. Minecraft T says, "What are you making?" You spell it correctly, it'll tell you. Wolfred, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well on this whatever day it is. Monday? Monday. I did get a haircut. I did indeed get a haircut. Yes, I got a haircut. It's true. Alright, so I gotta figure out why this is failing. Almost certainly one of these things. Not this one. Token type not in skip comments. Skip lines that. God damn it. What was that supposed to say? Motherfuck. No fucking idea what that was supposed to be. Skin's been looking awfully clear since Tina. If that's how it works, I'll take it. Okay, I have no idea why this is not working. It must be that previously it would just send a big string token into it. Can I take your offer? Wait, what was the offer? Oh, that I'm gonna dye my hair purple again? I don't know that Tina would be happy with that. Although Tina suggested the chest hair purple. I don't know how that was gonna work. Tell her for hits for money. She understands how Twitch works. What file are you in? I'll take a look. It's pycodestyle.py. There's only one. So my guess is that there is now more physical lines for some reason. That is causing it to be a problem. .812. Yeah, we'll get there eventually. Yeah, so that's definitely part of it. These used to be all one token and now it is not. Okay, so interestingly, oh, that sucks. Yeah, that's a bug in the tokenizer. The line is incorrect there. Ooh. I wish I'd have found this earlier. I feel like this is too late to be a release blocker. Oh wait, no, it's not like that. This is actually the real line. Oh, it's so Isn't it adding a new line? No. The problem is that the token string is no longer the entire expression because this is no longer one token. It's a bunch of interspersed tokens. And so it only sees... Actually, I mean oh, no, yeah. This is the token chunk of this, and so this is the line it's on. So problem is that this is a different expression. It's a different line chunk. Like this is one logical line. Probably, I think, I hope. But I don't know how pycodestyle handled this before. Yeah, so in 3.8 we get 2 physical lines, and in 3.12 oh, wait a minute. Where's the other part of this line? Yeah, so pycodestyle is just never gonna know that block strings are too long? Tend to not notice these nuances. Well, this is new in 3.12. Because F strings are now tokenized, quote unquote, properly. But I think interestingly enough, even if I remove the no QA, pycodestyle is not going to notice that the line's too long. Oh, it does. What the fuck? Why? Is it just that there's a comment here? What? Why? It's specifically that it's a no QA comment? Oh, I know what it's doing. Physical line checks are probably just completely skipped if there's no QA. Aha! Okay. That makes sense. Hmm. Build after every token, but act only on the end of the line. Yeah, so we have to like figure out how to rewind this somehow, but also not play it in the first place. Oh. This, I don't think this will be. There'll be a problem for. Yeah, basically, for F strings, it now has to go all the way to the end of the F string, and then find the no QA comment. Oh, this sucks. This sucks a lot. Uh, oh, this is a mess. This is a big mess. Hmm. Hmm. Does it matter? What are the cases that it could matter for? Hmm. I think. Oh. Yeah, F string start. Yeah, okay, I think I know how I can do this. I'll just handle F string end similarly. We can do. These are all name tuples now. We should not be using bracket 0 because it's harder to understand. Class stir object. What? What the fuck? There we go. There's the name tuple. Oh, I wanted token info, not that. Type. Type. So we gotta figure out where the F string starts. What's this? You're a Montenegrin guy. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Has like a little weird quirk in that there's an end of line token after the F string. How does it not? How does it not double check it? Yeah, like I don't know how it doesn't trigger this check here. I don't know. I don't know how it does that. I guess I could debug it and figure out why. Air Chops, hello, hello. It's been a while. How you doing? I haven't seen you streaming in a while, but I know you do stream. The next Moses says, "Hi there. I was wondering if I could get your opinion on a situation at work. I'm the most senior person on a team for a course of 4 years. Most of the OGs have left. Caused my position to be far less development and more documentation / subject matter roles. Well, the thing about becoming more senior is you often spend less time writing code. But if you've been in a place for 4 years, it might be time to find a new place to work. You'll probably make more money too, and probably be more in roles that you're excited about. But I don't know. I don't know your financial situation or any of the other parts of it, so I can't really make that call." Will M, hello, hello. How you doing? All right, so we have our string token here. It is not an EOL token. On an F string, it is this though. Oh, it doesn't run the last one. I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Great. Rex Ace, hello. How you doing? Next one says, thanks for your advice. Big fan of your work. I use a lot of your stuff to maintain almost every day. Cool. That's nice to hear. Glad you enjoy it. Yeah, so there's no, it's never called at all there. Okay, cool. Oh. Aerobounds! Thank you for the resub at 20 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and thank you for your continued support. I curse on anything whenever I get stuck in a predicament hook. Hey, that's not my fault. It's not my fault. How you doing, Aerobounds? Oh. YouTube has shuffled me to something that is unrelated to what I was listening to. I was like, this doesn't sound familiar at all. This isn't part of the playlist. I think it's not part of the actual audio. Newmond, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is offset. Why is it done like this? It doesn't seem right. Python Legends here. This doesn't seem right. If we have the list of the lines, there's no reason to be doing this. Yes, Tina? What? You put the goods. Oh, good. Give me the bits. The basil bits. Nice. I won't. Look at my food chat. No, I got it. Is this the stuffed gnocchi? Gnocchi? This shit's so good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is wrong unless self.lines is being appended to in some weird way. Like if self.lines is just the lines, there's no reason that it's done like this. Yeah, it's literally just the lines. Okay. Get a little bit of food. Oh, it's so good. And fresh basil from the garden. Which We've been getting a lot of Japanese beetles. I'm now on my like daily beetle killing spree. The internet says there isn't a great way to keep them away either, which is really annoying. Other than spritzing the plant with garlic flavored water. Because apparently they hate that. I've been doing that too. But not always as successful as I think it should be. Okay, this is not needed. I'm gonna do this instead. It'll do not including the end intentionally. Check physical. This I'm not sure about. I feel like the line number count is wrong. Yeah. No, I'm good. Yeah, I feel like this is slightly wrong. But let's see what it does. Okay, that looks good. What about if we run it on T3? Oh. Line is not defined. Did you mean slice? Oh, okay, so this is not okay. Oh, that looks good. EOF and multi-line string. What? That does not look good. Why is it hitting EOF error? That doesn't sound right. I didn't think I messed that part up. Is this linter? Yeah, this is pycodestyle. Which is part of Flake 8. Creator, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sandra says, I have a question. I'm working on a package and I need to store YAML config file in the user's home directory. I wouldn't store it in home. I would store it in tilde.config/ whatever. Just because I don't like things should not live in the home directory. My package just opens the file in the default editor. How can I implement these parts? Opening the editor and keeping the king file in tilde. Editor, it's just an environment variable, so You would subprocess OS, then environ editor. And you can, I think this has white space delimited, so you can select split it. And you probably want to default to something like Vim. Or probably VI. And then you have your file path and you just subprocess. Subprocess. And in this case, you know, Babby my file, and then it'll open the editor, and then when it's done, the subprocess will return. But this will be your home path. But yeah, I would use, I would look up XDG. I have a video on it. So I would watch this video, and that, oh, if it works, yeah, there we go. It should tell you about how to do this the nice way. Okay, so I'm off by one here somewhere. Let's see why. I'm also confused about the... Maybe I do it this way? Okay, so it's double running things. Oh, this should be -1. Hey, that looks good. That looks good. I remove the no QA. Fuck. Sweet. That looks good. Let's see what this has to say here. Sometimes I want line too long to become a warning instead of an error. Yeah, there are some plugins that will do that. I'm gonna have to implement this same thing in Flake8's engine too, which is kind of annoying. But hey, it's working now. Code with Dave. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Don't mind me just scarfing down my dinner at the same time. Yeah, I'm a little concerned about all of the warbling that this did here when this seems way simpler. But drugs? This should also be an empty loop if start is equal to n, which is nice. That was a real tricky one to figure out. Oh, why did I not do this one? Make sure that's right. Re-review the code. I wonder if this is covered in 3.12. I feel like with the rewrite of the tokenizer, this is probably not the case anymore. Unclear. But this looks good. Queued? Oh no. Why? There must be someone else in the organization doing a bunch of work right now. Well, this was updated 6 hours ago, so maybe not. Oh no, my user script is broken. Why is it broken? I think I need to change it to this, maybe? What is this thing up here? Yeah, fuck off. It is kind of crazy that they ship ESLint, so it should work now. Yeah, okay. But the problem is if I go here, refresh, then go to pull request, then go to here. Nice, okay. Still is the mine coin button. Mixter Jake, hello, hello. Good to see you again. As well as Raul C. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so I don't know why that was slow, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, so now I can go back to my regression thing and set everything up again. Oh, that's fine. New 11. New 12. Main. And then we gotta run the whole slow generation thing again. Yeah, this thing. Oh, I should have deleted the directory first. Thinking it's sweet old time. But then we'll have a better idea of whether we regress things. Well, and really I'm going to be comparing new 11 and new 12 to see if we're missing any other fstring things. Probably are, because there was other handling of .string in the file. But not fstring middle is a replacement for most of those. Hello. It just looks like you're wearing no clothes on camera. Yeah. This does feel like it's going slightly faster. Maybe. Unclear. Fix Jake says, I've been cleaning up a 4-year-old Django project that hasn't been touched in a while. A slight pain. That sounds like me at work. Except, oh wait. It has been touched a lot. We have so much like crazy shit to customize the Django manager. I have no idea what chunk of it is needed or not. I have like a secret hope that it's not needed, but we just have so many like weird customizations on top of it. Almost done. I think it's still running against Django. Jazz! Hello, hello. 2 more weeks of freedom before job starts. And you're never free again. Alright, there we go. Let's see what the differences are. Out, new 12. Okay. So this one is just an error message change. This one is the does not equal operator from the Easter egg. Oh no. That is now double reported. Bug. That's from MyPy. What? Why? What? What the fuck? Why? Yeah, that's very weird. It's running this twice. Discord and Strike. Hello, hello, welcome. Is this work extension or just open source? Just open source stuff, yeah. So symbol is kind of old. Someone's first Jenga project kind of turned into a site with 600,000 users. Damn. Watch the XG video. Seems OS X not supporting this specification has its own library thing. Is there a specification is more general and supports Unix like, including Linux and OS X? Um, I personally just say fuck OS X and do the POSIX standard everywhere. But there is a library, I believe it's called appders or platformders or something like that, if you want to use the very specific platform specific directories. But I find it much simpler to support to just say, no, this is the one you get, and that's it. 3.12 ready for Prime yet, or should I stick to 3.10? Well, 3.12 is still in beta, so I would say no. And I'm finding out weird reasons why. Alright, so let's... What line was it on that's weird? 159? Let's just kill the rest of the file. And now it is no longer double reporting. Very strange. I wonder if it's this F string here. Yep, it's totally this F string. Very weird. I'm at 311. 311 should be fine. Very strange. See if I can delete a bunch of other shit in here to see what reproduces with like a bunch of it missing. This. That still reproduces. There is an F string startup here, which is a little concerning. Maybe that's why? Like, what if this becomes a comment? Not matter? For the doc string. What about getting rid of these lines? Okay. So have a placeholder in it? Oh shit. I've okay. tt.py. So this still reproduces. But if I just do this, it doesn't? No, this does too. As does this. Oh, is it specifically the backslash at the beginning? Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, so here's our minimal case. Unclear, but time to copy it to a test case. Then we have more to fix. Um, cool. But now I need to figure out why. Yep, it's definitely double running them. Why does it never hit fstring start? Apparently, but I think this would also double around the start of the string. Why does it not double around the start of the string in this? What is the actual token that it does this? So in there, it's fstring start. I wonder if this is dead code. I wonder if this is dead code. Find out pretty quickly. It is not dead code. U191 tabs. Okay, so that just tells me we need to do. Because it could be an EOL token as the fstring start token. As a double. Sweet. Oh, I get it. So it's considered an end of line token if there's a thing that butts up against it, or like everything directly after it is just a new line. That's what that or check is for. Otherwise, it wouldn't notice that there's a new line. But an f-string start is not that type of token. Fix a string starting with escape. Say 312. Didn't I fix this? Huh. Well, another one. Oh, I know what it is. Oh, stop. All right, we're gonna run this real quick. And merge this over here. Just gotta wait for a bit. Technically, I could run the other one at the same time. Why does Python work better on Linux than it does on Windows? I think that's true for almost anything, except for maybe games. It's probably because it's easier to build C extensions on Windows or on Linux because C compiler is a base part of the OS. Or at least is a common component of the OS. Whereas on Windows, like, not easy to set them up. You don't game. I set a goal that no games till I get a dev job. Fair enough. And there's nothing inherently wrong with games if you play a moderate amount rather than an excessive amount. Wait, what the fuck? Why did that pick the wrong path? Oh, it didn't even try the third path. Well, that was weird. Can someone clip that? I feel like it didn't try the path, all the paths, but maybe I just misread it. I tried water. Got to ghost. Then it saw ghost again. Oh, so it must not have waited long enough after pressing D. Or it just ate this input. Yeah, it just ate this input. Very strange. Huh. Well, that explains a bug that I saw earlier. Anyway. Okay, hopefully there should be fewer problems now as we scroll through the differences here. I already explained those. 3182. This is going to be in an F string. Almost certainly. Multiple spaces before keyword. Yep, sure as shit. Look at that. Good job. Good job, new code. Leandro, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I saw a lot of code with no QA. What does it do? Part of Pregame or another linting tool? It's part of Flake 8. No QA is a way to ignore a failure on a particular line. This is in pip. That first error, that one's got me nervous. 282. Oh no, this makes sense. This is also in pip. By the same thing. Similar thing in an F string. We've got this and a white space here. Okay. Sense. This is the deprecated operator. Same with that. Know what this one is. Weird that those positions are different. Why is this the only repo I have access to here? Did they get rid of the old one? 37. Yeah, I mean the parsing is invalid here, so it probably is just slightly. One is missing. 163. Oh. Did I do the diff backwards? No. Backwards? Because I expect this to be introduced, not deleted. Because it's a less than operator that has the wrong white space. No, I did it in the right direction. Okay. Box. Missing white space around operator. This plus here. 8. Yep, that plus there. Well, you can't see it because it's behind the screen. You'll just have to trust. Missing white space around operator. Yep, this one right here. And at character 98, same problem here too. Shit. I could have sworn I fixed this one already. Oh, I think I fixed this part here, but not here. Oops. Yep. Rookie mistake. All right. There's definitely more stuff to fix at 312, but I feel like this is a good place to stop for today, so I'm gonna do that. My name is Anthony. Oh, that'd be great if I could spell YouTube. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, so check those out. This one is my most popular video I've uploaded in a short amount of time, so check that one out. If you missed any part of the stream, they'll eventually go up on my second channel. Why I don't put VODs on Twitch because of DMCA shenanigans, as that goes. Pythonic Pie, hello. I'm glad they help you out, Kai Londo. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a bunch of fun social channels and beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, and a bunch of smart people that can help you out there. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.